welcome to my color lab in Seoul. Today I met very special guest from Australia. Let me introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Carol. This is the first time I'm visiting Korea.
Today we'll find your colors. Okay, let's start.
A busy teacher from Australia. No time to think about styling. Relies on neutral colors, especially black, to look professional.
Why do you wear dark in front of the students?
I use black a lot because I teach, so I tend to wear darker color in front of the students. At the same time, I don't want to show it too strong because I want to make connection with them.
Okay, I see.
It's really hard.
This is warm. Cool is better. You look more fresher. Look at this. When the warm colors go to you, you look reddish, and then it'll be more too yellow looking here. It'll be more dull. But this cool color make your face just fresh. One more. See? You look even more yellow looking, right?
Totally different from what
Yeah.
I thought.
One more.
Okay.
Cool. See? You look just fresh and then just bright.
Yeah.
Cool is better.
Yeah.
Warm and cool. See? You look more fresh here. Warm and cool. I don't like dark, but anyway, cool is better. Cool summer light and then cool summer muted. Isn't it too bright? Color just stand out, overwhelm you. I cannot focus on you. It's too bright. You are not the higher chroma. Very dark, and even you look slightly older than your age.
Yeah.
You don't need to focus on the dark. Just go to a bit more light. See, you look much more younger, fresh, and then beautiful here, right? So this is much better. Oh, it's very beautiful. I like this red.
This one.
Yeah, this pink is really nice.
Uh-huh.
You look very lively. So because you like coral red, this more reddish color is nice. But if you want to be more, this is very warm coral red. Warm.
Yeah.
See? You look more fresh here, right? So you don't need to pay attention to coral orange base color. Red is better. And if you compare this pink, it's okay. But I like this red. It's really nice. Also, you can try this and then we'll try another color. It's too bright for you, right? Slightly bright. Purple. Purple is okay. The blue is okay. It's too bright. It's too bright. So in this part, you can try blue and then the purple and then the pink and red. These are your best color in the summer. Then now we'll see. Take a selfie. This is a red, deep red. This deep red is okay. Brown, I don't like brown. You're gonna be more older than your age. This is too dark, right? This is not a good color. Khaki, no, it's too dark. So deep green, I think, be very dark. It's okay. This navy is better than dark. See? You look too harsh here. You look very harsh, right?
Yeah.
See? Even it is deep colors, but you look more comfortable in this soft navy. Then now we see soft enough. Magenta is okay. I like these two. It's okay. Up to these three, it works. But we'll see which color looks more natural than this dark color, okay? I like this one. Slightly pale. Purple, soft purple. I like this purple.
This is my favorite color.
Your favorite?
Yeah.
I like this one because you look very comfortable, balanced, and very elegant. See, very fresh.
Yeah, this is
Isn't it nice? This is also really nice blue. So I like this tone for your deep tone. It's really nice. Then for the bluish color, for the teal colors, also this tone is really balanced. This is your deep tone. Very balanced, very beautiful.
Yeah.
So if you wanna try some of the deep colors, you can pay more for this blue green and then green and then purple. See?
Yeah.
You look so fresh and then clear. And you look very dark. Too strict. So you can invest this part.
Yeah.
Then for your work, for your image as a teacher, I like this shade. Okay, this is your best color. Then this is your image color. Okay,
Which color? Okay.
nice.
when she brings the color palette she received in Seoul back to Australia. This is how her work outfits begin to change. This is where everything comes together. She didn't change her job. She changed color strategy. With the right colors and structure, her daily work outfit looks calm, clear, and approachable. Soft silhouettes, balanced tones, nothing loud, nothing harsh. And when authority matters more, she doesn't go back to black. Instead, she uses her new black for stronger authority and professionalism. Use dull, cool-toned colors, muted purple, soft teal, dusty blue, and gentle deep mauve. These colors hold depth without looking heavy or intimidating. And remember this, summer light is your best palette. Teachers don't need harshness, they need soft power. And cool summer colors are the core of that strategy. Her face shape is oblong, meaning the face appears longer than it is wide. When her hair is pulled back with no bangs, the full length of the face is exposed. Because her face shape is oblong, this style unintentionally emphasizes length, making her appear more tired and stricter than intended. A short bob or medium bob with light bangs is a much stronger option. Soft bangs visually shorten the face, while gentle side volume adds balance at the cheeks and jawline. This creates a calmer, more approachable impression without sacrificing professionalism. Now, let's talk about lips. Without lip color, the face looks tired and lacks vitality, but very vivid lips, they instantly add age. Always choose a soft pink MLBB lipstick or lip gloss. It brings life to the face without overpowering your expression. And on important days, add a soft pink-toned blush, just enough to bring freshness and warmth. This isn't about makeup trends. It's about looking organized, healthy, and confident every single day. She didn't buy a whole new wardrobe. She changed the strategy. Authority doesn't come from black. Professionalism doesn't come from severity. It comes from harmony between color, mood, and intention. Thank you for watching. If you want to discover colors and strategies that work for you, not against you, follow for more real color stories from Seoul, and I'll see you in the next video.